Good morning, sir. Welcome to local collection Hotel Labuan Bajo.
Yes, good morning.
Do you have any luggage, sir?
Yes, could you help me with my luggage, please?
All right, sir. Where is your luggage?
In the bag, please.
Wait a moment, please, sir. I will collect your luggage.
Oh, yes, please.
All right, sir. You have one handbag. That's correct.
Yes, that's correct.
Well, sir, would you like to come to our reception? Well, would you like to our reception to complete your registration? While I collect your luggage to lobby.
Yes, good, thanks.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to local collection Hotel Labuan Bajo.
Yes, good morning.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Uh, well, sir, how many is you?
I would like to check it.
All right, sir. May I know what type of room you want and for how many people, sir?
I like one suite room for honeymoon. That's for me and with
All right, sir. For what date?
on March 13, 2023.
All right, sir. May I know your name, please?
My name is Yohanes G.
Wait a moment, Mr. Wawan. I will check the available rooms for that period.
Yes, please.
You are very lucky, sir, because one suite room is still available for you, and this room is very expensive. And may I explain about the room facilities and hotel facilities?
Okay, please.
Uh, Thank you, sir. At our hotel, we'll get room number 305. Room facilities such as private balcony, television, telephone, uh, air conditioning, complete bathroom with shower, bath and sink, complete with hot and cold water. And hotel facilities such as Bogasari restaurant, meeting rooms, sports area, parking area, laundry, as well beauty salon and spa. So the room rate is 1 million per night, include breakfast. Would you like to take it, sir?
Oh yes, I will. But yes, I will. But please prepare a room, make it as beautiful as possible for my wife and my honeymoon with sea view and big bed.
Alright, Mr. Wawan, I will make it as beautiful as possible so that you and your wife feel comfortable using our hotel for your honeymoon. May I know how about your deposit, sir?
Okay, thank you. How much shall pay?
You have to pay 1 million for one night. Is that correct, sir?
Of course, if possible, my items to the payment.
Sure, if you want to transfer the payment, you can transfer with this BCA Bank in your city. And our account is 11 2 3 4 5 6 0 0 0. Is that correct, sir?
Okay, thank you for the information.
You are welcome, sir. By the way, can I repeat your request, sir?
Yes, you can.
Thank you, Mr. Bawan. Uh, you want one suite room, and the rate is 1 million plus breakfast. You will arrive on 23 April. You will pay deposit by account, and do you want to anything else, sir?
No, thanks. I thought it was in the bag.
All right, sir. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you. Yes, good morning.
Well, sir, your room number is 305 in the second floor. This way, please follow me.
Yes, thanks.
Uh, this is the first time you come to Labuan Bajo.
Yes, this is my first time.
I'm sorry, where are you from?
I'm from Australia. Been working long time.
Wow, that's so awesome. I'm sorry, may I know your name, please? Sir?
My name is Yohanes G.
Oh, Mr. Yohanes Gunawan. May I know what made Mr. Wawan really want to take a vacation in Labuan Bajo?
Yes, Its beauty, it's not only located on the mainland, but the underwater balloon also so enticing. The beauty of the underwater island of Labuan Bajo is ordinary.
Yeah, thank you. I'm very happy to hear that.
Yes, thank you.
Sir? Well, sir, this is your room. May I borrow your key, please?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Come over.
Guest on the bed.
Well, sir, would you like to me explain the room facilities?
Yes, please.
Thank you, sir. You have shower with cold water and hot water. You have minibar. In minibar, there are several drinks. There are 2 bottles mineral water and 2 bottles beer. Uh, this is the remote air conditioning.
Okay, good, thank you.
Do you have any questions, sir?
No, thanks, no.
Well, sir, that is all about the room facilities. If you need more information, please call our reception, nail number 2.
Okay, thanks, so.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.